welcome to my channel. Hi Timmy Bots! Welcome to another video of Timmy Tries. Today we're going to cook oatmeal. Here are all the ingredients. Milk, strawberries, mango, and oatmeal and oats. Turn on the heat 1 second. Put milk in it. Wait for it to boil. Now the milk is boiling. We put the oats. Let it stir. It's working. Then wait for 5 minutes to boil. 5 minutes, it's done. Let's turn off the heat. And now we put the fruits if you like. My favorite is mango and strawberries. Let's pull it. Right here. What do you like to eat them? I love eating mango. So good. Now we give it a stir again. All done. Now we put it in the bowl. What is that? It's smoke. Now it's time to give it a taste. Forgot to fruit juice right here and there. Oh, this is good. Masala. But it's so hot. Thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up. Bye, Timmy Bots.
Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below.
Make sure you subscribe to EBC Digital Nest and follow all our other social media platforms to see more content like this.